Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to solve Instagram QR code problem. To know how to solve Instagram QR code problem, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, in this list, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will go down to find the application of Instagram here like this. And when you will see this page, you will go to first stop, you will click it, and when you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, then you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.